Hurry. Matthew Wiz.
What?
Whatever
Yes.
you say your name.
What,
I'm gonna put a C4 on your back, okay?
Yeah, do it. I like suicidal thoughts.
What is going on?
100% legit, as in all of Dash's subscribers.
Oh, hey!
Let's go, baby Jose.
Jim.
Come on, baby Jose.
Baby! Come on,
Or
babe.
babe Jose. Aw.
Oh,
Optic
she just
sniper
realized
with the
she can't-
MOG
Hey.
quickscope across the map. Hey, hey, who does a
Okay,
grenade
somebody throw it
roulette?
on me.
Who wants to do the
Somebody throw
grenade
that thing.
roulette? Because I didn't want to get
I
this on.
do.
Come here, I'm in the back.
I.
Okay, here we go,
So,
ready?
I'm gonna say 4 seconds this time, okay?
Okay.
Alright, ready, set, go. 1, 2.
I had attack insertion. I was holding a tactical insertion the whole time. What if... How did they not see me? I was stuck
We
in the
were too busy raping. We were too
so close
busy
to 4.
teabagging, Matt.
You guys are supposed to protect me.
Come on, Hazer, what are you
As
doing?
legit as Rezzy's Chubbs.
I can't kill myself. I used my C4.
Guys, remember I'm weak, so I can't really protect myself. So you guys need to like help. I'm going to be
That's
a
why.
rebel. I'm a rebel.
Everyone
I
rush
like
it.
rebels.
I'm stuck.
We're stuck
I
in the
can't.
door.
Ah.
Everybody here can.
Ah.
Oh my God!
No,
Oh, he's dead.
He did it. He did it. He did it.
We won.
Yeah.
Hey, at least we don't have mustaches on a reflex site. Oh!
Zephyr, can I handcuff you to a pole? Fireball. I'm gonna
Yes.
handcuff Zephyr in the middle of
Yes,
the
that's
street
good.
by his testicles on a lamppost. Suiciders. Are we suicide bombers now?
Yeah.
Hey, you can play it when
Akbar.
you're 30. Are you guys really
Who, me?
chanting Allah Akbar right now?
There he goes!
Go, go, go! Yes!
RBLG.
Oh!
I done it! I've done the impossible. Oh!
Oh my God! What are you doing? Why aren't
did it!
you?
Oh, I
Holy
got double
shit! You
kill.
got 2?
Oh! That's how you do it right there. Double kill suicide bombers.
Hey, buddy, get behind here.
Oh my God! Sit down, dude. Oh my God! Get destroyed! Get destroyed, boys! Get destroyed! Get destroyed! I don't know if you guys saw my ballistic knife kill right here.
That was
Pretty
nice.
gnarly.
That was pretty nice.
Boom!
Oh, look
Miss,
at this, mate.
bitch.
Look at that.
Drop
That was
the
like 5 shots.
Shot you
Right in the
right
dick.
in the shoulder blade.
I suicide for you.
There's no way to do it.
God,
do it!
Zephyr.
He can do it!
Do it!
Hey! Fucking lag. That lag.
Oh!
Nah, bro.
Call
Like, like,
1-800-STEAMERS. Stam these steam like
Damn
it's your
steamer.
home cleaner.
The steamer? Cleaner? Alright, wait. No, don't die yet, Dylan. I got you.
Why are you playing that? That is so loud. Oh my God, muted real quick. That is so loud. What is going on?
Hey, shut up!
What the fuck was happening just now? It went from like epic music to some What the f-
Yeah, you're really, really.
Why were you playing
I
it?
have another song to make this more intense.
Yay.
And alright. Well, you gotta wait for one person to die, and then I'll get the last one ready.
I got a song real quick. Let me get it up.
Wait, I got you. Okay. Just let me wait for somebody to die, and I will post the awesome music.
Nigga. I'm 100% nigga. Nigga.
What the fuck are you playing?
That's a new
From the heavens.
Wow.
I did it.
Kill yourself! Kill yourself! Kill yourself! Kill yourself!
Just because she's got mad brave ability.
No!
She can do
I wasn't sticky enough!
She can do it! She can do it!
Shut up!
She did it! She did it with the
I actually think I might have gone deaf just now. Oh, I see him. I want to do it. I got it.
Over there! Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Yes! I got a triple
No!
kill! I took your kill!
A triple!
I took your kill, but I got a triple suicide bomb.
Oh my gosh! I just killed myself for nothing. Hey, heart scope! I just got heart scope! I'm a Barbie girl! Shut up! Shut up! Hey, I'm plastic! So fantastic!
My boobs are plastic.
What's he doing? He's just searching for stuff! Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh my god!
Wow, you couldn't even shoot him from that close?
Look at me! Look at me! I missed! Don't make fun of me! I threw a grenade!
I would catch a grenade for ya! My expert
Look at this sniper! Man, he's like the best sniper in the world! Look at this! Boom! He shot you! He got you! Miss! Fire time, master. When he slides under you, then put him in your chest. When doors close, he's coming back out. Touching, turning to the right. What's up, girl? How's the fight? Hope everyone is alright. Going to shoot and fight and shoot at everything inside. This is a welcome party. He gets gifts for everybody. Who's so excited? Who's this guy? He's not invited. Turn him back, turn him right around, shoot around, shoot around, shoot around. Roll one. One more Titan is done. I'm trying to sing.
Allahu
It's too
Akbar.
close. Fight harder.
Allahu
No.
Akbar.
La,
Allahu
la,
Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
La la la
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
I want you to love me.
Allahu
Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
what you like.
What you say?
You guys left me with him.
Honestly, there's just a bunch of noises going on right now. I don't even know what's happening.
We're
Daddy.
You get to say daddy. Actually, not even one. It's all my ears.
Oh my Christ!
I'm just a nerd with a big reputation.
Hey, you want fire?
I'm the only girl in the world. I'm the only one that you ever know. Is that right? The heart only one. Is that right, T? Is that right?
I muted him. He's supposed to be dead.
I'm watching football.
I muted him.
Ready to lower the
To the fly,
Cowboys.
I'm
We're
gonna go down.
Shut up!
I don't understand why it's gotta be
Because
so
redneck-
loud.
Yeah, you should
Yeah.
all come subscribe to us, not Zephyr. No one likes
Yeah.
Zephyr. He's just
Yeah,
a little
yeah.
kid that lives in the basement that masturbates every morning.
Zephyr-
I got paid, so I'm gonna